Hello, everyone. Good morning again. Welcome to At Scale Networking 2025. Thank you all for being here, both in person and for all those who are tuned in online. My name is Vignesh Vijayanath. I lead the technical program management teams for data center and AI networking at Meta. And today, I'm going to be your host. Right. If this is the first time you're joining an At Scale conference, At Scale is a series of technical conferences for engineers and professionals who build and/or maintain systems designed for scale. Our mission is to bring together complementary themes that foster practical collaboration as well as knowledge sharing across disciplines and industries. Today's edition is networking. And precisely, we're going to be focusing on the evolution of AI network solutions. So throughout the day, you're going to be able to listen to experts talking about deep dives in ML techniques to optimize large-scale networks, looking into or learning tools and methodologies to do a full-stack debugging of these complex systems. You'll also gain insights into strategies used to scale network performance. But last but not the least, you'll have an opportunity to collaborate with your peers and industry leaders here. As the day unfolds, please immerse yourself into the sessions, ask questions, connect with someone new. The richness of this event lies in its community. Right. Now, before I go forward, I want to give you a quick rundown of how the day is going to progress. Right. We will kick off with a keynote in this ballroom, following which the content will split into two tracks. Track 1 will be hosted here in this ballroom. Track 2 will be hosted in the theater upstairs in the second level. Besides the talks, each of the tracks will have live Q&A sessions. So if you're seeing these QR codes on the green handouts that you had on your seats, submit questions. Now, on the other side of the handout, you do have the agenda handy for you. Right? Between talks, you'll have roughly about 10 minutes of a break. So if you wanted to switch tracks, you're all free to do so. Right. Now, post-lunch, we'll continue with the tracks, a few more talks and a few more Q&A sessions. But then mid-afternoon, we will all come back here to the ballroom for our final block of programming, which includes a talk, a closing keynote by Dr. Pradeep Sindhu of Microsoft, and a live technology panel with some of the leaders in the industry. Right. It's a packed day. So let's get into it. Right. It's my honor to introduce Gaya Nagarajan. As the VP of Network Infrastructure at Meta, Gaya is not only on the forefront, but he's also the driving force behind the evolution of Meta's network infrastructure. He leads a team responsible for the end-to-end networking solution, from data center to a global backbone that includes subsea infra and terrestrial fiber, Meta's edge networks, and our global content delivery networks. This team is also responsible for the end-to-end lifecycle of designing, building, and operating one of the largest networks in the world, serving over 3 billion plus users. So please put your hands together for Gaya Nagarajan.